Guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing how I make avocado seed oil for hair growth. Yes, avocado seed oil for hair growth. Yes, guys, I have been digging, like doing a lot of research. Guys, you all know, if you follow me for a long time, you know that I eat a lot of avocado. Every time I eat my avocado, I always throw away the seeds. So then I realized that the seed has also a lot of benefit. You can actually use this seed for so many things, guys. Okay, you can use it, but most of the time we do throw away the seed. We just think the seed is not is unused, but you can actually use it for so many things. So today I'm gonna be sharing how I make this avocado seed oil. It's very easy to make. It's not difficult at all. So I will be putting you guys through all the process, how I made it. So what I'm gonna be doing here, I have my 3 avocado seeds and I'm gonna be grading them with a grater. As you guys can see here, it doesn't matter which side you want to use. You can use the bigger side, or also you can use the smaller side, but here I'm using this part here. So you just have to grate everything in little pieces as I'm doing here, but you have to be careful with this grater. You guys know how sharp it is, so you just have to be careful with your fingers not to harm yourself. So here it is already grated. This is basically how the seed is looking after grating them. Even if you leave this seed like this for a couple of hours, it's gonna turn a little bit brown, more brown, like a red brownish like that. But just because I don't have time for that, so we are just gonna move ahead to prepare the oil. So I just pour the whole seed into this jar that I have here, and then I will be moving on with the oil. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that red subscribing button. In this channel, we do literally everything. We do a lot of workout, fashion, lifestyle, DIY like this of how to grow your natural hair at home. Please hit that red subscribing for this, your girl, okay? Yes, moving on, and I'm gonna be adding my half cup of red onions oil. Yes, if you follow my hair journey DIY, I always use this red onions oil. It's really good. It can strengthen your hair. It have a lot of benefits. It really brings shines into your hair. And the next oil I'm gonna be using is my favorite oil, which is Jamaica black castor oil. And you can use any one of your choice. You can use the white one and this black one. It's up to you. And you can add half cup of Jamaica black castor oil. Guys, I've been running out of oil. That's the reason why I want to make a lot just to keep. The next oil is going to be coconut oil, and you add a half cup of coconut oil as well. And my last oil will be a vitamin E oil. Yes, these oils are great for hair. They can really grow your hair. They can really moisturize your scalp. These oils are very good when you are having a scalp issue, so they can really moisturize and treat all the dandruffs in your hair. So what you have to do, you just have to mix everything together and mix and mix and mix. So here it is. You just have to mix everything together, and the next part you just have to cover the jar, and then you can place it in a warm dark place for 7 days. Yes, 7 days. I do let the oil really sit in the seed for 7 days, and you guys can see later how the oil is going to look. It's going to turn a little bit brownish because it has been sitting for 7 days, and I guess everything, all the benefits of the avocado seed have already penetrated into the oil. Avocado seed promote hair growth. It also helps stimulate blood flow and unclog blocked follicles. So avocado seeds can really help your scalp, can really treat your scalp, and it can also help for dandruff. It moisturizes your scalp, you know, your scalp, yeah. So yes, this is basically how it's looking after 7 days, guys. Yes, you guys can really tell how different it's looking right now. It's looking really brown, as you guys can see inside. So this is the oil, and I'm just so excited to make this oil. As you guys can see, it's very easy. Like I said, it's easy to make. And what I am going to be doing here, I'm going to be separating the oil from the avocado seed. So I'm using my cheesecloth. I always have problem pronouncing this stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm gonna be separating the oil from the seeds, and there you go, you will have your oil. It's very easy to make, guys. You don't have to go crazy looking for oil. You can also use any oil of your choice. You don't have to add so many oil as well. If you know that one of this oil is heavy for your hair, so you just have to skip some of them. A lot of people do complain that Jamaica black castor oil is heavy for their hair, so you don't have to add it, okay? Or you just have to add just a little spoon, maybe 1 teaspoon or one or half teaspoon of Jamaica black castor oil. Or you can skip. If you don't have any other oil, you can actually skip them, you know. Yeah, so this is the seed. Now it's nuts. Now there's nothing to do with the seeds. And also, if you have any idea of what you can do with this seed, you can also go ahead and use it. I guess the seed is still you can still use it. So this is how it's looking. Yes, after 7 days in the oil. So here I'm gonna be transferring my oil into my jar here, and yes, it's ready. You see, it's very easy. Like I said, this is the oil. This oil, guys, you can use to massage your hair, and you can also use it for your hairline if you have a cornrows, or if you just have a braid. You can be applying this oil in your hair every time, like every day, literally every day. You can use this oil for everything. You can also add some of them if you are making a hair butter. You can add some of them. I already make a hair butter, and the video will be coming up soon. Stay tuned for that, guys. So yes, this is how it's looking, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to hit that red subscribing button for more awesome videos. And to all my old subscribers, thank you all so much for always visiting my channel. I really appreciate your love. May God bless you, and in the meantime, hope to catch you all in my next one. Much love. Bye.